Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Google Earth signed into your account so changes can be tracked. First, enable the Labels or Places layer and zoom to the target name. This makes the label selectable. Once visible, click the place mark or right-click the feature in the Places panel to view its properties. You do this because the name lives in that place mark's metadata. Editing it, there is how you remove or change the displayed name without altering the map base. You now edit the place mark directly. Open Properties or Info and locate the name field. Clear the text to remove the visible name or replace it with a neutral placeholder if needed for organization. Make sure to click Save or OK so the change writes to your Places file or project. Once done, refresh the Google Earth view or switch layers to confirm the label is gone. You do this to keep the underlying coordinates intact while removing only the displayed name. Finish by exporting a backup KML or KMZ so you can restore changes if needed. This protects your data. If the name still appears, make sure there are no duplicate place marks or active map layers overriding your edit, and then clear Google Earth's cache. You can also re-import the edited KML to force the client to reread properties. If problems continue, undo the last save and repeat the edit more conservatively to avoid corrupting the Places file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.